Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home, on my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know, feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video, and welcome, well, not back to the garage, I guess. I find myself here with a load of bags somewhere pretty deep into Germany. I'm at Schweinfurt. I came here to, well, see a car and maybe take it with me. I won't see the car until tomorrow, so I have a little bit of time at hand to go and explore.
Get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground.
Almost at the room. Almost. Can't wait to throw this back off my shoulder. It's starting to hurt. It weighs a lot. Finally, some rest. Well, rest. I don't know about that, but finally got the heavy bag off. View. Well, could be better, could be worse. But it's only for sleeping and staying tonight, because tomorrow I'm seeing the car, so I'm pretty excited for that. Also a little bit nervous, so small room was the cheapest, well, almost the cheapest I could find. That was a private room. I didn't want to have something like a dorm room or whatever, so pretty nice. Well, this will be my home for tonight, but I'm gonna clean up a little bit, freshen up, and, well, maybe go in the city for a little, scout around, have a look around, and, well, find something to maybe eat tonight. All set and ready to go. I had a little look on the phone, and I noticed there's a KFC somewhere nearby. Don't really know where, but, well, since it's KFC and we don't have that where I live, it's kind of my duty to go and find it and eat some KFC. But, well, in the search of that said KFC, we're gonna be having a little roam around the town and, well, take it all in, have a look around, and, well, we'll see what this place is about. By the map, it looks like I have to cross it to reach the KFC. Well, as it happens, there's a bridge. I'm gonna try to reach that. You guys see what I see? Found it. I found it. So, well, let's run there. No, I can't be that excited about food, but I'm very excited. It's been, well, almost 7 years since I've eaten some KFC, so really stoked that I now finally have the opportunity to eat it again, and well, sure as hell I'm gonna enjoy it. Well, that was great. No food vlog. No food vlogs. Had some great food. It's really tasty. A little bit spicy for me. Well, only just one chicken wing, which is pretty okay. Yeah, I don't know how this camera performs in the dark, so this will also be a great test for that. Well, gonna make my way back to the hotel now, and well, that will be it for the night, because there's not a lot to see around here. I'm tired. Was a great place to eat, but kinda got me a little more tired after eating and after the walk back to the hotel. So I'm gonna pick up the camera back tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes with the car. Well guys, between the last shot when I put the camera down and now, there's a few days in between. Why is that? A few hours after I put the camera down, got really sick, got a bad stomach ache, was feeling really bad. I was, well, practically a wreck. Well, spent a lot of time in the bathroom. I won't go into any detail about that, but I was on my journey on, well, seeing my maybe new car, and well, I went to the meet I had with the owner, so that went through, even though I was feeling really sick. I had this thing all planned out pretty differently, not as it is going now. So I kind of bought a car. I'm really stoked. It's very fun to drive. Well, why wouldn't it be? And maybe some of you guys guessed what I was getting. Some of you guys didn't guess what I was getting. But well, without any further ado, I bought myself a Porsche Cayman. Let me go to the other side. It's a bit more sunny. Black Cayman, very beautiful. Yes, she's a little bit dirty right now. I need to wash her. Drove her straight home from where I was in Germany. I was at Schweinfurt, so it was about a 400-mile drive back home with the fever, of course, with the fever. So I didn't really feel like picking up the camera. I'm, well, at least not now, or not yet, that energetic as a person. So I was even less energetic being sick. That's why I didn't film any of the trip. I'm feeling better now, so I grabbed the camera. I really want to finish this video up, so that's why I grabbed it, so I can edit it, upload it. You guys know what the car I get. We'll be going through the specs I have on this car now, to the future plans I have with it, what mods I want to get, what I want to get first, maybe some of you guys' input in this. Well guys, be sure now, let me know down in the comment section below what you think of me buying this car. I cannot say anything else. I'm really stoked about this thing. I'm already having and gonna be having so much fun with it. I can't wait. But yeah guys, there you have it. Porsche Cayman, base model, 2009 model, manual shifter, 6-speed, 265 horsepower. I don't know how much torque it has. It's 200 and something, I thought. I just wanted to come show you the car, wrap up this video, and I will come back to it in the next video. So be sure to subscribe. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm out.